We need to use unit fractions to convert and round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So we're trying to change 23 quarts into liters. So we're switching back and forth here. Quarts are in the US system, liters is in the metric system. And down here I have the table for you for switching back and forth between the two systems. There's two columns and we can use either one. It really doesn't matter as far as our answer. It's kind of just up to you. And I'll show you there's actually be two of these. You could use one number in each column that could work. So when you're doing 23 quarts and we want unit fractions, you put that over 1. And we're going to multiply it by this unit fraction that needs to have quarts on the bottom and liters on top. So if we come over here, we look for quarts and liters. We've got one right here. 1 liter is about 1.06 quarts. So 1 liter, 1.06. Okay, so if we, cross cancel our quarts, multiply, now we have 23 liters divided by 1.06. Do our division there, and that comes out to be 21.7 liters. Okay, now if you look on the other column, there's also one that says 1 quart equals 0.95 liters. Okay, we could have used that one also, and so I'll show you what happens if you had. You would have started the same way, 23 quarts over 1 times, and the unit fraction needs to have quarts on the bottom and liters on top. So our measurement here says 1 quart equals 0.95 liters. Okay, so the quarts again can cancel. And for this one, we're just multiplying straight across. So with this one, we get 21.9 liters if we round to the nearest tenth. And you can see they're off by just a little bit here. Okay, that sometimes happens for two reasons. These have been rounded. That's why they have the little squiggly line in there. That means approximately. Okay, so the conversion between the two is rounded, plus we rounded also. So when we divided here, we rounded. And so because of those two things, it might end up just off by a little bit. Okay, this one's just off by 2/10, and that should be about as far as it's different. But either one is close enough for what we're doing.